Good morning. Hey everyone, welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a super fun video. I'm going to be glowing up and locking in for summer. The last couple days it's been 80 degrees, so I'm really feeling the start of spring and summer. Once the winter and the snow and the ice is gone and the weather starts to get warmer, I always feel really motivated to start working out, eat healthier, so I can be the best, healthiest, most confident version of myself when summer begins. I'm gonna be implementing some healthy habits that will help me glow up from now until summer. We have like over 80 days. I don't know when the official start of summer is. I feel like it's probably around June. I think it really starts with waking up early. I did not wake up early today. It's actually Saturday that I'm filming this. I haven't really slept that great throughout the week. I just filmed a waking up at 5 a.m. video. I felt like I was a little sleep deprived, so I let myself kind of sleep in and take a slow morning today. Typically, I have been trying to wake up earlier and give myself more time in the morning to be productive. Obviously, this is a little bit harder if you have less flexibility with your schedule. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. Even just 30 minutes extra in the morning can make a huge difference. The morning obviously sets the tone for the day. The second thing is drinking a lot of water. I personally have been so bad about that. So drinking more water, I feel like the biggest tip for this is just to fill up a giant water bottle, especially like a Stanley, because it helps your water to stay cold all day. Another healthy habit that I've been implementing is my walking pad. I actually just looked on my phone. I'm embarrassed to say this, but my average steps a day is around 3,000 to 4,000. I feel like that's pretty low. I used to think that in order to use a walking pad, I needed to like be at my standing desk working and walking. I actually find that it's better if I just get my walking pad out, walk on it for 30 minutes to even an hour in the morning while I'm doing other things like replying to email, and then I get both things done at once. My goal for the month of April is to get 10,000 steps a day, like every single day, a weekend, a weekday, busy day, whatever. Another thing that I'm personally trying to do, kind of being more intentional about what I'm actually eating, kind of want to slim down. I'm not trying to get to a certain weight or a certain size. With all that being said, I'm just gonna walk on my walking pad. I'm gonna try to do 30 minutes to an hour. I have like a whole list of things that I kind of want to do while I'm walking on the walking pad. So kind of depending on how long that takes, let's get that checked off the list. And then I'm gonna make some breakfast and a coffee, which is always my motivation to get it done. I just walked 5 miles on a speed of 3.5 on my walking pad. I'm actually like really sweating. It's also kind of hot. See, it's 75 out right now and I have all my windows open. Now I'm just gonna make some breakfast and a coffee. I think I'm gonna do a salted honey latte today. I did switch from whole milk to 2%. I'm not gonna like cut out my coffee or not do syrups or anything because it's like honestly the best part of my day. So I just made it a little bit lower calories. Did Greek yogurt, blueberries. I used frozen blueberries and then I microwave them for about 30 seconds. Some granola, some hemp and flax and chia seeds. It's like a mix. I instantly poured like way too much. And then a banana. Literally looks so good. Another healthy habit I've been implementing is taking supplements. I feel like I've probably talked about these in some other videos. I just got a package from Princess Polly. I picked out so many cute pieces for spring. If you guys don't know, Princess Polly ships from within the US. You get free express shipping in 3 to 6 days on all orders over $50 here in the US. They also offer afterpay and shoppay. I also have a discount code, so I'll have that here on the screen. If you guys want to shop any of these, they'll all be linked below. Let's just get into it. First up is this red striped kind of boxy t-shirt. It's like a really soft, stretchy material, and I love like the mock neck and longer sleeves. Also kind of going into summer with 4th of July, I feel like this will be really fun. I love anything comfy, boxy. Also been loving stripes right now. Next up is this little graphic tee. I love the polka dot details on the graphic. I feel like the theme for this haul is polka dots. I got like multiple different polka dot tops, dresses, accessories. I love just throwing on like a basic tee. It's just so easy. I think this is gonna be one of my favorite items that I picked up. It's so cute. It's this little polka dot blouse. Most of my tops are kind of more casual, kind of basic, comfy. I'm trying to mix in some more pieces like this that are just a little bit more elevated and dressy. The polka dots are such a big trend right now. I also really love the fit of this. I think it would be really easy to style. Dark wash jeans, ballet flats, cute purse. Speaking of a cute purse, I also got this bag from Princess Polly. It's this pastel yellow shoulder bag. Something about like the polka dots and pastel yellow is just very spring, very trendy. I really like the style of bag. Just gonna add a nice spring touch to my outfits. As you guys know, I'm trying to lock in for the spring and really get into my health and wellness era. I feel like something that really helps with that is getting new athleisure clothes. I got this little wrap top from Princess Polly. I feel like these are super trendy right now. I've seen them everywhere. Princess Polly also has this in black and pale pink, which I think could be really cute. I usually wear like black workout pieces, so I thought thought the white would give a little contrast with like a black sports bra, black leggings. This is so soft and comfy, and it's like very lightweight. I also got these lounge pants from Princess Polly. They're like these gray sweater wide leg pants, and they're just so soft and comfy. I'm definitely gonna be wearing these all the time, especially on days where I'm just editing, cozy at home. Next up is this polka dot dress. Absolutely love this. This might be one of my favorite items of everything I picked up. It's very fitted, midi length. I love these sleeves for spring and summer. I think they're super cute. I also think this would look super cute with the yellow bag, like this. I don't really know exactly where I'm gonna wear this to, but if I go somewhere and I need to dress up, this is gonna be perfect. Next up are these balloon pants. I've already been seeing so much of these. I feel like they're gonna be a huge trend for spring and summer 2026. I kind of wasn't sure about these, but they're so comfortable. They're very loose, relaxed, like a flowy material. I would probably style them with just like a basic tee and ballet flats. This tee is also from Princess Polly. Just like this basic white t-shirt. I feel like I wear a basic white t-shirt almost every day, whether it's like under a button-up, cardigan, sweatshirt. It's just my go-to outfit. If I don't know what to wear, just throw on a white tee and jeans. Always looks good. I love the fit of this. Definitely recommend. Honestly, I would get like a couple of these. I got another bag from Princess Polly. I got this light blue studded oversized shoulder bag. I thought this would be so cute for the spring. I like to wear a lot of neutral kind of basic outfits. I thought this would be a nice fun statement. I love like a big bag that I can kind of throw everything in. Next is this black kind of basic tee. I think the 3/4 lengths are perfect for spring, especially when the weather is kind of all over the place. I actually have this in white and I wore it just the other day. It's like a really good kind of style. I also have a fun accessory that would be perfect with this. I got this polka dot kind of scarf from Princess Polly. I'm seeing a lot of girls just kind of tie it around their waist like this. Kind of adds like a fun pattern to your outfit. Waist scarves are going to be so trendy this spring and summer, and just like any kind of scarf in your hair, on your back. I almost forgot, but I also got another bag. It's like a black shoulder bag. I really loved like the stud details on this. Some days I'm just wearing like a basic white tee, basic gray tee, so I feel like a fun bag can really elevate your outfit. I have a couple more accessories before I forget. I got these polka dot socks. I think these would pair well with loafers, so you can see just like a little bit of the sock. Once again, the polka dots are super trendy and add just like a nice kind of fun pattern to your outfit. I also got a hair clip. All of my favorite hair clips are from Princess Polly. It's like a nice big hair clip. It's also like this dark chocolate brown color. I just did that super fast, but I feel like it clips my hair back really good. Lastly is this pink and brown striped tee. We're kind of ending where we started with the striped tee. I love the pink and brown color combo. These oversized striped tees from Princess Polly are just so comfy. I have several of them. I wear them all the time. You can get them in long sleeve, short sleeve. I think this one also has matching shorts. That's everything I got from Princess Polly. So many cute, fun spring pieces. I can't wait to wear these. I'm gonna have all this linked below in the description. If you guys want to shop anything, make sure to use my discount code EmilyG. They have so many cute spring pieces right now. Thank you so much for Princess Polly for sponsoring. Just getting ready for the day, I thought I would share some of my favorite everyday makeup products since this Sephora sale is currently going on. I'm gonna have all my favorites linked below if you guys want to check any of them out. I'm also gonna have a whole page on my ShopMy with all of my Sephora sale picks for hair, makeup, skincare. I thought I would just share kind of like my current everyday makeup routine and the products that I absolutely love. Starting off with skin prep, I love using this Refi Glow and Sculpt Primer. This is one of my favorite products in my routine. I also like to use the Say Glowy Super Gel. This gives my skin a nice glow, but I feel like I could live without it. If I was picking one of these, I would get this one. It preps my skin really well for makeup. Makes my makeup last longer throughout the day. For foundation, I love the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I've been using this for like 10 years. It's so good. Your skin still looks like skin, but it has good coverage. Lately, I've been loving this big brush from Say to just kind of buff it out. Tried a ton of concealers, but I think this Tower 28 concealer is my favorite. It's really creamy and it's like not too thick. This is probably my favorite brush that I have. It's this Makeup by Mario F4 brush. I love using this for concealer, cream blush, cream bronzer. It's like the perfect brush that you can use for multiple different things. Now Rhode is at Sephora. I love like every Rhode product I've tried. This Sleepy Girl cream blush is probably one of my favorites. Pretty much use this every day. I feel like I've had this for like over a year and I use it every day and I feel like there's still so much product left. I like to use the same brush and just apply that. It's like the perfect color. And I'm just gonna set that with the Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Setting Powder. This has been my staple setting powder for so long. Like kind of gently pat it and set it in place. This is like a very OG product. I tried very similar products and I always come back to this one. It adds a perfect bronze without looking orange. My favorite blush, the Patrick Ta She's That Girl. This is so good. Blushes, highlighters, bronzers, I feel like they last a long time. I literally used an entire one of these. This is a new one. So I feel like to actually go through a blush shows how much I love it. This is also one of my favorite products in my routine. It's a Dior Backstage Glow Palette, I think is what it's called. I just like to use this for a little highlight. Lately I've been using the pink. I just love this. It's like really pretty. Kind of adds a nice little glow to my skin without looking like 2016 highlight. I like to add some faux freckles. I've been using this Tarte faux freckle pen. I feel like this one applies a lot easier than other freckle pens that I've tried. This might be my #1 product in my routine. Refi Brow Sculpt. Every product I've tried from Refi is like my favorite. I'm seriously obsessed with their products. Actually need to get a new one of these. It's this brow gel. Just holds my brows in place and brushes them up so perfectly. Also has like this little brush on the end which works really nicely to kind of brush the hairs up. It almost gives like a laminated effect. And also one of my top picks for the sale is this Patrick Ta eyeshadow palette. I love that it's like the perfect everyday eyeshadow palette. It just kind of has everything you need for every day, and it's also small if you're traveling. I like using this lighter tan shade, and then I'll use like one of the darker ones. Not anything too crazy, just like a little something. I'm not gonna use this right now, but I love this lip tint. I actually got this on TikTok shop a while ago, but I think this brand is now at Sephora. I have the shade Charming. So this gives a nice color to my lips. Even when my lip combo fades, my lips still have a little bit of color. I'm gonna go in with some lip liner. Recently I've been loving this one from Kosa in the shade Infinite. It's like a perfect kind of my lips but better color. I also really love the Makeup Forever lip pencils. Those are so good. I like to go in with some Benetint. I usually keep this in my purse, and I kind of like touch it up as I'm out and about. This adds a nice color to my lips, and it's a lip stain, so it lasts longer than just like a lipstick. And then I like to top it off with some lip gloss. I've been loving the Refi lip glosses. They're so glossy. This one is in the shade Rosewood. I feel like it's also pretty long lasting, and it's tinted, so it adds just like a little bit of color. So if you're out and about and you don't have time for a whole lip combo, this is like the perfect touch up. That's my makeup. Oh, a couple other products. I love the Glossier You perfume. This smells so good. This has been my signature scent and go-to perfume for literally for years. The first time I ever went to a Glossier store back in like 2018, 2016 maybe. I don't know. It is the best smell. I just don't think I'll ever find a perfume that I love more than this one. I've also been loving the Salt and Stone deodorant. This is in the scent Neroli and Basil. It's like a nice kind of floral scent, very soft, almost spa-like. I have all of my hair care, skin care, body care, and more makeup favorites on my shop. I'll have like a whole page. I thought I'd just kind of share a few with you since when this goes up, the Sephora sale will be going on. Back home from getting my nails done. I went with this pastel yellow with little pink polka dots. I think it looks so cute for spring. I've been loving like super neutral kind of clean girl nails lately. Hopefully I don't get sick of the bright yellow. Also, I totally forgot to show you guys what I picked up the other day shopping. I didn't go too crazy, but I did pick up a few spring things. First up from Crate & Barrel are these little wooden bunnies. I think these are so cute. They're not like super cheesy. They're just like very minimal and chic. I think these are so cute. So I got a big one and I got a little one. I thought these would look good on that dresser behind me. I also got this bunny from Crate & Barrel. It's like a little wicker bunny. So cute. I'm definitely gonna put this on my coffee table. Mom got one, my sister got one. We all got one of these. They also had these in a bigger size, but I thought the wicker one would just look good in a small size. If you're looking for cute seasonal decorations, definitely check out Crate & Barrel. From Anthropologie, I kind of made an impulse purchase. This is something that I know I'm going to use because I've been wanting these mesh woven ballet flats. They're so cute. I can't wait to wear these. These are gonna look good with so many spring outfits. I feel like they're just like a good wardrobe staple. I've been wearing ballet flats with everything lately. Last spring and summer, this spring so far. Usually I just wear like a black leather ballet flat, but I feel like these are so much more summery. I love Anthropologie's glassware and homeware. I got this little espresso cup, and how cute. The blue and the yellow. I know I'm gonna use it because I make coffee every single day. Now I'm gonna do my beauty maintenance kind of glow up routine. Already got my nails done. I'm just gonna do some self tan and just kind of like some things that I like to do about every week or so. Just gonna feel like my best self, feel a little bit more confident, especially in the spring and summer. Love tinting my brows. They're pretty light naturally, so this just gives them a little color. I use this Just for Men beard dye. I get it from Walmart, Target. I use the medium brown shade. I left it on for a little over 3 minutes. It's just like a subtle difference. Now I'm just gonna do some self tan. I'm gonna use this Coco and Eve Express Tan. I actually just got a restock in a PR package. I'll have this linked below if you guys want to check it out. It's one of my favorite express tanners. I can leave it on for just a couple hours and it actually gives me a really good glow. I feel like a lot of express tans, you have to leave them on for a little more than they say to get a good color. I just wanted something that would work quickly so I can rinse it off either before or after dinner and not have to sleep in it. You know that TikTok sound that's like, I feel like me again? That's literally me when I'm applying self-tan and I go from like pale to having a little bit of bronze. I'm just gonna finish applying this, let it marinate for the next couple hours. Just got to the movies. I'm about to go see Project Hail Mary and 4DX. I've already seen Project Hail Mary once and it was so good. I wanted to see it again. I've been seeing a bunch of TikToks about the 4DX. They say with this movie, it's literally like being in space and like you're in the movie. So I really wanted to experience it while it was still in theaters. Never done a 4DX movie before. I'm a little bit nervous because I get really bad migraines. I'm really hoping I don't get a migraine. It's like $20 a ticket, like 3 hours long. So hopefully it's good. Hopefully it's worth it. I'll give you guys my thoughts after. What were your thoughts?
Great movie.
Actually, did you like the 4DX?
I did.
It's well worth the money.
I think so too. It was really fun. I recommend. I keep seeing banana bread lattes all over my TikTok feed, my Instagram feed. You see something once and you just keep seeing it. I think I have all the ingredients to make some syrup at home. So we're gonna make some banana bread latte syrup. I still need to add some vanilla extract. I'm just waiting for it to cool. It smells so good. It smells like banana bread. I can't wait to taste it. With the banana bread syrup, there's like chunks of banana, so you have to put it in a blender. While I'm waiting for it to cool, I'm just gonna do a little collagen mask. I got these in a pack from Sephora. I'm definitely gonna be getting more during the next Sephora sale. I'll have it linked below. These are so good. They're super hydrating. You leave them on overnight or for like 3 hours. Don't mind that I literally just like ripped this mask putting it on with my nails. I love doing these collagen masks. It's actually the 1st of April, so I'm kind of doing like a cozy reset day today. It's like cloudy, rainy, but warm. The windows are open. I need to kind of plan out some content for the month. I need to kind of go over my finances, pay my bills. So excited to taste this. The flavor's not as strong as I thought it was gonna be, but it's still really good. I added a little more syrup and I feel like it's perfect. I'm just gonna spend the next couple hours locking in and getting organized for the month of April, planning out content, going over my finances. I'm gonna be planning out my digital calendar for the month of April. I like to kind of go over the month and figure out everything that I'm gonna be uploading, any appointments, and then I kind of go back and loosely time block my weeks for that month. I kind of already know each day like what I need to get done. My April calendar is organized. I have all my dates in there, all the content that I want to post for the month of April. My weeks are time blocked. I always feel like my life is so together after doing that. That is actually everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely make sure to check out Princess Polly. They have so many cute pieces for the spring and summer. So I'm gonna have all those linked below in my description. Definitely make sure to use my code EmilyG. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some inspo if you're wanting to lock in for summer, and I will see you in a week for my next video. Bye.